Hello students, in last lecture we have seen how to give transition to the slides and how to give animations to text and graphics present in the slide. Okay, now today we are going to discuss new point, that is running a presentation in the slideshow view. After making your complete presentation, you need to present it or run it. Okay, it can be easily done by slideshow menu. Okay, means suppose if you want to present your presentation to the audience, then you can use the slideshow menu. You can see here the slideshow menu is present here. Okay, you can click on from beginning for running the slideshow from first slide, or you can click on from current slide if you want to run the slideshow from current slide. Okay, means suppose if you want to see the presentation from the first slide, then you have to select the from beginning option from here. And if you want to see the presentation from the current slide, means suppose third or fourth slide, then you can select it from current slide option. I will show it to you practically now. Dear students, this is our last presentation. Okay, now suppose if you want to see this presentation, then you have to go in slideshow option. You can see here the slideshow option. Go in that option. Then if you want to see it from beginning, means from first slide, then you have to select from beginning option. Okay, let us see what happens. Okay, you can see here when I click on from beginning option, then it will start from first slide. Okay, and it will go to next, second or third slide. Okay, you can see here when I switch, the next things happens. Okay, now suppose if I want it to see from second slide. Okay, I don't want to see the first slide, I want to start my presentation from second slide. Then I will select from current slide, means it will start showing the presentation from second slide, because second slide is getting selected here. Okay, so it will start. I will now select the from current slide option. Okay, let us see what happens. Okay, now it will show the presentation from current slide, means the second slide, and the first slide is escaped here. Okay, got it? What is the difference between from beginning and from current slide? Dear students, now we will see the next part, that is previewing and printing a presentation. Okay, now what is meant by previewing a presentation? See here, the print preview feature lets you see how your presentation slides will appear before you print them. To use the PowerPoint preview feature, choose Office, then Print, and then Print Preview button. Means print preview option it allows us to see how our presentation slides will look before we print it. Okay, so if any changes are there or any mistake is there, so we can rectify that mistake before printing it. Okay, now I will show it to you practically. Students, suppose if you want to print your presentation, then what will you do? Okay, you have to select the Office button. See here is the Office button. Click on that, then you will get print option here. Okay, select the print option. In that print option, different options are there, just like print, quick print, and print preview. So select the print preview option. After that you will get the preview of particular slide. Okay, just like we have selected the first slide, so it will show the first slide preview. Then if you want to select the next slide, okay, or if you want to see the preview of second slide, so just click on next slide button. Okay, you will get here. Then again third slide. Okay, so if you want previous slides, then again you can go here for previous slide. So in print preview option, you can see how your slides will look before it prints. Got it? Students, from print preview screen, you can zoom into examine the preview more closely by clicking anywhere in the preview area. Now we will see it practically. Students, this is the print preview of first slide. Suppose if you want to see this slide in large scale, then you have to just click on this slide. You can see here the plus sign is seeing here. Okay, just click on that, then the size of that particular slide will be increased, so you can see it more clearly. Okay, with you can see here with the help of zoom. Okay, now if you want to reduce it, again click on that, then it will be again reduced in its original form. Got it? Students, the next part is printing a presentation. The simplest way to print your presentation is to print your slides on regular paper. Click on Office button, then click on Print button to open the print dialog. To print your presentation, you have to select the Office button. Okay, after that the print option is there. From that print option you have to select the print button. Okay, select this print. After that you will get such type of box. Okay, from that there are different messages, just like print range, then how many copies you want. Okay, so print range, all slides you want to print or current slide, you have to select the whatever you want. Suppose if you want to select the current slide, then select current slide, otherwise you can select the all slides. Then how many number of copies you want. Suppose if you want 2 copies, okay, so you can select the 2 copies. Okay, so you have to give here the settings. Okay, you have to select the color from here, which color you want. Okay, black and white, gray color, or print what means only slides or notes. Okay, select the slides only. Then after selecting all this information, just you have to click OK button. Okay, after that it will be given for printing option. Got it? Thank you.